Good morning, everybody. Well, it's actually afternoon here. It's 1:43, and I am on my way to go to the RV lot to pick up my RV and finish loading it up. And Danny and I are going to be on the road, and it's so great to be back on the road. I'm looking forward to this trip. I hope you'll come with me on my adventures through the South. We're going through the South. So I'm sitting here at a red light. You can see I got junk and a bunch of stuff in the back seat, and this is my second load. I went and brought a few things over to the RV the other day, and now I have a few more things, including my Mac. I'm bringing my computer with me because I don't want to run out of space on and buy a million SD cards, and I want to be able to download everything and make some videos. So watch for them. Subscribe, like, share, and click the little bell. That little bell will notify. Once you click that, it'll notify you of any new videos that I have that come out. So Danny and I are I'm gonna stop. I haven't had anything to eat, so I'm gonna stop over at McDonald's because I can't really. I leave Danny in the car. It's actually like 61 degrees. Awesome day. 65, maybe more. It was about 69 when I got in the car, but I think that's because the car was sitting in the sun. But now that I'm moving, the thermometer on my vehicle says it's 61. So I'm going to be back soon. I'm going to get some McDonald's and go get the RV. Come with. Okay, well, it took a little bit longer, than I thought, because I thought, I was on the road at 4 o'clock. Well, I wasn't on the road at 4 o'clock. I was on the road at 5 o'clock. And I stopped because I stopped to check the air in my tires, the trailer tires and my car tires. So everything was good. I got a feeling that Mark checked it for me at the vacation land because they filled me with propane, and I think he also checked my tires probably on my trailer. They're just awesome people over there. And met another couple that are heading out on their very first trip. Have never been on any trip at all in their travel trailer. Theirs is 18 feet, mine's 16. And it's a husband and wife. They're very nice people. First trip in their travel trailer. They didn't test it out locally. I wish them the best of luck. I hope everything's okay, because they're going all the way to Colorado. So we'll see. Because sometimes you have to take it out just for a weekend, just to get used to things. This way, if you have questions, you can call somebody and ask them. So, oh darn! I forgot to go through the toll booth, and I went through I have a transponder on my car, and I'm so used to just going through the transponder. But when you have a trailer, they like you to go through the booth where where there's an attendant. That's the second time I forgot. They'll figure it out, I'm sure. They just read the plate anyway, and they'll figure out who it is. Although I just got new plates on my car, so I hope they know who it is. Still in Illinois, because I haven't been on the road very long. Traffic is crazy, very crazy. Danny's actually chilling and doing really good. I think she's kind of gotten used to the idea that she's going to need to get used to traveling in the car. I didn't give her anything, but while I was going on my cruise, I don't know if you watched my cruise video. I hope you did watch my cruise video. But while I was going on my cruise, had to put Danny in the kennel. Danny, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? You getting better at this? This monument memorializes War of 1812 soldiers buried along the Natchez Trace, and it honors the service of all the brave volunteers who marched for American independence. Those soldiers that did not survive the War of 1812 or the marches in 1813 and 1814 are buried in unmarked graves.